tips for your better learning. Students of this course are not supposed to use the word difficult. Nothing is difficult. Where there is a will, there is a way. Time management is upon you. If you have taken a step towards learning, then you should manage to complete your assignments anyways without saying that you have no time to complete. You should follow each and every learning point and remember it. Listen lecture carefully with full attention. Make notes for future. Note down answers of questions given to the topic regarding confabulation, conf- confabulation, conversation. Check pronunciation of words in both British and American accents, which you would use in your answers. Task must be submitted till 2 p.m. tomorrow. Note: anyone not follow group SOPs will be removed from group, so kindly, if you are here to learn, learn sincerely and learn everything taught to you. Wish you all best of luck. Regards, your mentor, Fiza Farouk. Jazakallah.